Alright, what's up you guys? Somebody sent me this Cen-Tech digital battery analyzer. We're going to test that out on my truck here. I believe this is, it's either 730 or 760 full cranking amps. I don't remember off the top of my head. But we're going to test it out. So apparently, this is from Harbor Freight, and I appreciate whoever sent this to me. You guys didn't even leave a letter or nothing. So it says you hook it up and then hit the power button. Does its little countdown or whatnot. So, okay, so we're on the cranking amps. We're going to go up to 7. Oops. Hit select. And we're just going to go 730. Select. Select. I guess we're going to hit OK. It's testing now. It's got 12.16 volts on it with 4.48 resistance. Anything under 20 on resistance wise is good. And then it shows my battery percentages is about 85 right up here at the top. 85. And if I hit OK, there's a select. Select. I got 591 cold cranking amps out of 730. So this should be enough to 12.1 volts. A fully charged battery is 12.6. So that's actually, it's a pretty cool little nifty thing. It doesn't do starting and charging, but for around the house, you know, checking lawnmower batteries or checking your vehicle battery if it's cold outside or hot, because heat is the #1 killer, not cold. Man, this thing is dirty. I need to clean this. A little 2.3 liter here. So a battery myth would be setting your battery on ice or concrete is going to discharge it faster, and that is not true because these things are made out of polypropylene now, and they have insulators inside of these, and putting it on the concrete is not going to discharge it quicker. Back in the day when they had like a wood box, and then it was lined with tar on the inside, and it had little glass that was holding the plates, the glass would break when you put it on the ground and it would discharge the battery. So just the battery sitting in the vehicle, putting it on the ground, putting it on wood, setting it up in your storage building, whatever, it's just going to discharge the same. I believe this one's a absorbent glass mat, because this has an auto start stop system on it. So there's a battery myth for you. But this little tester, thank you to whoever sent it to me. I will use it around the house, definitely. It's pretty good at showing the health of the battery and the cranking amps, and then I really appreciate that. As always, love you guys, miss you. Sorry I was out for so long, but I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.